Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change install location in Google Play Games. So let's get started. So there's not really an official way to do that, but there is a workaround way that works. So first of all, you're going to go to your folder, you're going to go to this PC and head over to local disk C. So once you're here, you're going to click on users and then you're going to click on the user that you use. I use HP, so I'm going to click on HP. And then you're going to scroll down till you find the option of app data. So simply open app data and then you're going to click on local. Within local, you're going to search for Google. So simply scroll down and click on Google, and over here you'll be able to see Google Play Games. So this is basically the default location where everything is stored of Google Play Games. So what you need to do is, first of all, you're going to go over here in Google Play Games and you're going to shut it down. Once you have done so, you're going to make sure that you disable Google Play Store from here as well. So simply click on this arrow and then you're going to click on exit. Once done, you're going to select all of the folders over here and then you're going to click on delete icon. And then it says, do you want to permanently delete them? Simply click on yes. And then it's going to delete all of the documents over here. Then you need to simply delete this one as well. But before that, we have to copy the path. So you can either create a new folder over here before, or you can do that through the command that I'm going to tell you. So you're going to head over and type in cmd and run as administrator. You're going to click on yes if prompted. And over here, you're going to type this command, type in mklink space /d and start a quotation. Now over here, you're going to type in the path of the new folder. So I want the new folder to be over here, but I'm going to give it a new name. So I'm just going to copy the path over here, click on the stop, simply copy the path of this Google folder and just come over here and type that path down. And then you're going to type in / and type in the new name that you want. So for example, I just want the name to be, let's say, my games. I'm just going to type the folder name to be like that. And then just end the quotation and press space and start a quotation again. Next, you're going to go to play games over here. That was your default folder, and copy the path of this and then go to CMD again. Just open it and type that down over here. So you got to remember that you got to type down the path of the new folder first and then the older folder. And then you got to simply close the quotation and press enter. Now it says symbolic link created for this, and now when you go to the folder, you'll be able to see a new folder that has been created named as My Games. So that was basically how you can change the install location in Google Play Games. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.